Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer Modic from Binance to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your Modic tokens seamlessly between these two popular exchanges, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide is designed to be simple, secure, and straight to the point, so you can get it done quickly and confidently. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Gemini. Double-check that your accounts are verified and funded. Nothing worse than hitting a roadblock mid-transfer. Once that's sorted, log into your Gemini account and navigate to the wallet section. Here, you'll find your Modic wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's your golden ticket for the transfer. Now, hop over to Binance. Head to the Wallets tab, select Modic from your asset list, and click on Withdraw. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Paste in the Gemini wallet address you copied earlier, and specify the amount of Modic you want to transfer. Remember, always double the amount to ensure accuracy and avoid any costly mistakes. Before you hit Confirm, take a moment to review the network details. For Modic, you'll likely use the Polygon network, so select that to keep fees low and speeds high. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. Binance will send a confirmation email or notification. Keep an eye on that. The transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan for real-time updates. Once it arrives in your Gemini account, verify the balance and celebrate your successful transfer. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so always use the correct address and start with a small amount if you're new. In 2025, with evolving regulations, stay updated on any exchange-specific rules. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.